Welcome to Inspiring Indiana Technical Support. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Inspiring Indiana Technical Support. Today we are going to unbox Samsung EVO Plus Grade 3 Class 10 256 GB Micro SDXC memory card. Now see, this is what I have purchased from Amazon. Now I have opened it, tear it off, and now let it open. Let's see what I can get from inside. This is the memory card. See how it looks like. Samsung, there is a adapter here, and this is the memory card, 256 GB. Now you can, if you purchase from this Amazon, you will get a great discount on that. Almost, it varies time to time, so I am not disclosing or mentioning anything, but around 3000 to 3500 you will get this 256 GB memory card. Now in the packet, it is mentioned, it is waterproof, it is magnet proof, it is temperature proof and X-ray proof also. Now while mentioning temperature proof, we must know that it can operate from minus 40 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. Though minus 40 degrees centigrade is not required at our condition, and also 85 degrees centigrade is too much, but its operating temperature is within that. Its reading speed is 100 MB per second and writing speed is 90 MB per second, and it is very lightweight, approximately 1 grams. Now let me tell you more about it. This memory card supports 4K UHD video and of course HD video also. So now let us open it, and after that we will check after inserting in the mobile. So let me open it. Now there is a dotted line here. You can use a scissor. See, you can see Samsung EVO Plus, and I will now and this is the adapter given, SD adapter for micro SD. This is the back portion, Samsung. So friends, the product purchase link is given in the description, so click on which you can go directly to the Amazon site of this particular product, and from there you can purchase it. And also I would like to tell you that please subscribe my channel and also give a like on that, and also share with your friends, so that I'll be inspired to make such videos in future. So please share, subscribe and like my videos. Give your comments also, and also okay. Now I have a phone here. Let me go to the file manager. Okay, here I can see the phone storage is 226 GB of 256 GB are available. Is a 256 GB phone and 226 GB are available. So after inserting this memory card, let us find what happens. This switched off now. Now let me open the tray where I can insert the memory card. Let me open the pen tray. This tray I have opened it. I have taken it out in the entire tray. You may not do that also. Let me put it here and put it inside. Right now I am not inserting any SIM. So let it go inside. Okay. Now it is switched on, and now let me go to the file manager again. Now let's see what I can find. Phone storage 226 GB of 256 GB as usual, and this SD card. SD card has been appearing here. 256 GB of 256 GB available. So unlike pen drive, you will get entire 256 GB out of 256 GB available in the memory card. In pen drive, you might have seen that some of the GB has been consumed by some software or something else. But here, the entire 256 GB is available. Now let me copy some videos from which I have just now shot some videos from phone storage to SD card. Let me copy. DCIM camera. So let us take this video. Okay. Now copy, and now go to SD card, and here let me create a folder. Say test, save. Now find where it is, test, then the last one, click here and copy here. Now it is copying. You can see very well it is copying. Now it has been copied. Now again come out of here and go to SD card. Now see, you can find 255 GB out of 256 GB. So something has been consumed. Now click on this. Now test. Now check its performance. Hello.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग देखेंगे मोबाइल से कैसे YouTube में वीडियो अपलोड किया जाता है।
This is a video which I have made.
जो YouTube यूज करते हैं उसके लिए ये आम बात है
in my YouTube
मगर
channel.
जो न्यू यूट्यूबर
Please subscribe, share and like my video. Please subscribe, share and like my video.